Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm getting ready to go out the door to the BlytheCon in Cincinnati, Ohio. But before I go, I am finishing wrapping up actually two items from a hidden giveaway we did not too long ago. These are items. I had taken extra Happy Packs to the St. Louis Doll Show, and I brought these home, and I thought I'd do it as a hidden giveaway. If you watch our videos, we do hidden giveaways every now and again. You have to watch the whole video to find them. And these are for our subscribers, and we sent out pretty nice gifts. This time it's a pretty big deal. Watch the winners, Ink Pads Playpad, and Nola's Dolls and Aquatics to see what's inside. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.